Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Children, in the previous class we have learned how to make two-letter words. Today, let's all discuss the sound of letter A. Sound of letter A. A is a vowel, as in B at a bat. In the center you can see after B consonant there is a vowel A. B at a bat. Similarly, K at a cat. Say them with their sounds. L-A-D, which is L-A-D, lad. Who is a lad, children? Lad means a boy. Lad, lad. Bat, cat and lad. Now, children, let's see. When we add vowel A to the consonants at their back, what sound it becomes? B-A, bear. C-A, cat. D-A, da. F-A, fair. G-A, it says G-A, ga. H plus A, hair. Hair. J plus A says J. L, whose sound is L. L, A, la. M, A, ma. N, A, na. P, A, pa. Qu, that is Q. Q and A together forms square. Que together forms square. R plus A says ra. S plus A says sa. T plus A says ta. V plus A says where. W plus A says where. In the same way, Y plus A says ye. Ye. Children, keep on repeating these sounds. Try to read them yourself. And this way, you will learn their sounds properly. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye. I will see you again in the next class to form something new.